Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Solana. Robinhood is giving away SHIB worth $100K to 10,000 users, after recently announcing the listing of Shiba Inu, SHIB, with Solana, Sol, Polygon, Matic, and Compound, commission-free investment platform. Robinhood has announced there is more in store for its users. Indeed, the investment platform revealed, after announcing the listing of SHIB on Twitter, that it is giving away $100,000 worth of SHIB to 10,000 users. You can find your Robinhood username on your profile inside the account page, says the platform in a subsequent tweet, providing instructions on locating the username. Users must be among the first 10,000 customers to retweet the giveaway link in order to be eligible to win, with the deadline for participation finishing on April 12, 2022, at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. In particular, the rewards will be accessible for redemption in the app within 24 hours of the retweet being made. As customers want a broader selection of cryptocurrencies to trade with, Robinhood markets 9%, 18%, and 15%, featuring in the top 5 coins in terms of gains, respectively. Traders are still awaiting the final executive order, but the quick treasury statement, which appeared supportive of cryptocurrencies, was enough to boost sentiment in the crypto market. The leaked treasury statement has been welcomed by the crypto market as it seems to focus on the development of the industry, rather than on imposing unrealistic regulations, said Yaya Hasegawa, market analyst at Japanese cryptocurrency exchange Bitbank. U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen applauds the crypto executive order, calling it historic, and the one that strikes the balance between responsible innovation and addressing consumer protection needs. As per details, Yellen says, President Biden's historic executive order calls for a coordinated and comprehensive approach to digital asset policy. This approach will support responsible innovation that could result in substantial benefits for the nation, consumers, and businesses. While the crypto market shoots higher, on the other side, the Asian equity market opened mixed considering the ongoing Russian-Ukraine crisis, with benchmark indices and futures suggesting a positive outlook amid uncertainty. Indian and European markets rose after reports of Russian humanitarian corridors opening surfaced by media outlets. Quasys Protocol, AX, is taking a unique approach to DeFi, and has already experienced substantial growth. The Quasys Protocol, AX, is a decentralized financial initiative platform that offers investors safe and risk-free crypto investments. On this site, users can take advantage of risk-free investments and no-fee services. The Quasys Protocol, AX, will allow customers to fund recurring services such as subscriptions or memberships by simply putting USDC tokens and receiving regular returns on them as a principal-protected payment mechanism. For Solana this month. On 7 April 2022, Binance announced that it would suspend withdrawal for Solana because of a network glitch experienced at the time. Solana is currently the 6th largest cryptocurrency by market cap at $31.7 billion. In the past 24 hours, it recorded a trading volume of over $1 billion, with more than $160 million of that in the SOL-USDT pair on Binance. Needless to say, the set blockade would directly affect the flagship network and its native token in some way. Solana, Sol, a blockchain platform for hosting decentralized apps, dApps, and presently the 6th-ranked cryptocurrency in terms of market value, has had a rocky start to the new year. Despite the fact that the DeFi asset is still a long way from the all-time highs it reached in 2021, the cryptocurrency community at CoinMarketCap is expressing a great deal of confidence for the price of the token, predicting that Solana will trade at $131.79 by the end of May 2022. The projected price reflects a 40.15% or $37.76 increase over the product's existing price at the time of publication. Overall, votes from 3,074 members of the CoinMarketCap community were taken into consideration to arrive at the final price estimate. In terms of Solana price predictions, the crypto community has an average estimated historical accuracy of 67. If you are looking for Solana price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. SOL rate prediction 2022. SOL will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Solana rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Solana rate will be almost $122.19. The maximum bet we can get is $142.07. Solana average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $125.72. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. SOL price prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for SOL will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $182.67 and a minimum bid of $177.65. The maximum bid is expected to be around $211.87. SOL price forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Solana price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of SOL will rise to around $262.85 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year could end with a maximum price of $312.30 with a minimum price $255.55 level. Solana price prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. SOL rate prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. SOL is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of SOL will be between $508.24 and $523.51 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of SOL ranges from $508.24 to $641.51 for 2026. Solana price prediction 2027. Solana's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SOL could reach $886.45 by 2027, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of 7